Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to create Apple ID. In order to do that, you can head over and click in here your Apple ID and then scroll down until you can see the sign out option. Once you're done signing out, you can head over and then create your own Apple ID. If you don't want to sign out, you can also head over to your Safari and then go to iCloud.com. From in there, click on this sign in option right here, and then from in there, you will be prompted on this sign in. So in here, just cancel the sign in, and then in here, you can see the actual in here. Click on this create Apple ID, and then once you have done that, this will load in order to ask you some information that will be inputted. Just put in here your first name, last name, your country and region, the Apple ID that you will be using, as well as your password and also your phone number, and you can verify it through a text message or phone call. Just put in here some announcement right here if you want to receive announcement or Apple Music, and then just type in here the CAPTCHA. Head over and click on continue in order to verify everything, and then you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.